I'd just like to take this opportunity on behalf of An Garda Síochána to note the conviction today for the murder of Ashling Murphy and the life sentence that has been imposed on Jozef Puska. Ashling, a national school teacher, was out for a walk after work when she was attacked and murdered by Mr. Puska. This monstrous crime shocked the nation. I want to pay tribute to all the members of An Garda Síochána involved in this investigation, and in particular my colleagues at Tullamore Garda Station, from where the investigation was led. The investigation team were professional and steadfast in their determination that the person responsible for Ashling's murder will be brought to justice. I also, most importantly, then want to thank the community of Tullamore, a compassionate, kind, resilient and generous community. They were of invaluable assistance to An Garda Síochána throughout this investigation, providing us in particular with access to CCTV, which was instrumental in building the case against Mr. Puska and to achieving a successful prosecution. The community also has and continues to support Ashling's family. Finally, I would like to pay tribute to Ashling's family. Her mother Kathleen, her father Ray, her sister Amy, brother Cathal, and indeed her boyfriend Ryan. The courage, the dignity, the resilience and the strength that they have shown during this ordeal has been exemplary. I want to assure them on behalf of An Garda Síochána that we will continue to support them going forward and give them all the support we can where necessary. Finally, I would like to repeat the family's request for privacy around this time as they continue to process the enormity of the murder and the loss of Ashling. May she rest in peace. Thank you very much.